In today's currency report, we've seen a big change in Japan's attitude toward the yen virtually overnight. Japan's new finance minister, Nato Kan, says that he would welcome a weaker currency. As you can imagine, that's been sending the yen tumbling. Our Sara Eisen has been at our markets desk speaking with analysts and traders and following just how this is impacting trade. I would imagine a lot of buzz this morning.
Yeah, it just gives the market another excuse to sell the yen. Japan's new finance minister on his first day on the job, sending the yen reeling, saying we will make efforts to make the yen appropriate level while considering various impacts on the economy that may be caused by currencies. Translation, we're not going to let the yen strengthen too much so that it starts hurting the exporters. You know, exporters are a huge part of Japan's economy, and we've heard from Sony and Toyota and Honda, all of these exporters are struggling with a stronger yen, which makes their profits earned overseas less valuable when they bring them back home into yen. So the past few years, the yen has risen 18%. It reached a 14-year high. We have backed off a bit from that, but the new finance minister saying we could correct a little bit more from here.
Yesterday, you were telling us about key technical levels to watch. I would imagine today some of the analysts out there are revising their own estimates.
That's right. They are very pessimistic now on the Japanese yen, saying buy the dollar against the yen. Standard Chartered putting out that message earlier today. You can trade a bearish yen if you trade stocks even. YCS is the ticker. It's an ETF traded like the stock, bearish bet on the yen, so you don't just have to trade currencies.
YCS. Thank you so much, Sara Eisen. Log on to Bloomberg.com for all the latest currency stories.